Hello everyone, today we are going to make stir-fry udon noodles. First cut the pork into thin slices, then cut into thin strips. Let's cut the ingredients. Green onion cut into minced pieces. Cut a potato into thin slices, then cut into thin strips. Cut the cabbage into thin slices. Make the sauce: 2 spoons of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of salt, 2 spoons of light soy sauce. Mix it well. Use hot water. Soak the udon noodles for 5 minutes. Here is the ingredients. Heat the pan, heat the oil, add garlic, add pork. Fry the pork until golden and brown. Add 1 spoon of soybean paste. You can also use garlic sauce to replace it. Add 1 spoon of pre-made sauce. Add the potato strips. Stir fry till 1 minute. Add cabbage to stir fry 1 minute. Mix evenly. Make a circle in the middle. Add the udon noodles. Add the pre-made sauce. Mix together. Stir evenly. Add 1 spoon of salt. Add a green onion. Cooking udon noodles this way is very delicious, very fragrant and soft. I hope you like my video. I share cooking videos every day. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.